I started out as a medic, so I worked in the field and worked in rescue, and then by the time that I had finished the healthcare end of it, I was an occupational healthcare administrator. I kept having muscle spasms, and I was really high paced, and I worked a lot of hours, and I kind of just thought maybe it's, tired, whatever, but it stayed so consistent. Well, that's hard for somebody like me that's trying to train or teach a class. In the beginning, not only your doctors, but even your employers are kind of going like, she's making this stuff up to get out of work, kind of thing. And once you get to the point, it's time to cash in on the things that you've invested in, like long-term disability and insurances, the FMLA, to try to get yourself well. Your employers, they become defensive and they become more like an enemy to you, and they don't really want to assist or help. That's when I started reaching out to an attorney.
It's very common that with many disabilities for our clients, they don't immediately show. It's not something that you would observe from people. And so when we work with them, we want to make sure that they are able to show the insurance companies or whoever is on the other side what's really going on. And we draw from all resources that we have, whether those are other professionals, other physicians, or any other type of profession that may be able to help really demonstrate what the client is going through and showing that they are entitled to the policy benefits, whatever those may be.
What was special about working with Mary was to be able to help someone who for her whole career had set up these systems to help injured employees and help companies deal with employees who are disabled, but to see how difficult it was for her to navigate that as a patient. It was really great to be able to help be the one to return the favor that I know that she provided to so many people while she was working.
It was really nice when I knew when I left the first visit, I told my son, he came with me, and I said, this is where I'm going to leave this. This is going to be where it's going to get good, because they're going to take care of me, I know. That kind of camaraderie you have with an attorney just doesn't exist. It's like, okay, it's settled. You're going, did I just lose my friends? Did I just lose my buddies that were fighting for me? It's bittersweet, because you're like, they actually won everything for you. There's nothing else to fight. They did it, and you're going like, I'm going to really miss them.